Today we're diving into a fascinating piece of American numismatic history, top 5 $1 gold dollar coin. This coin not only honors a remarkable president, but also holds significant value in the world of coin collecting. Let's explore its history, design, and value in today's market. Stick around to find out if you might have a hidden treasure in your collection. Ulysses S. Grant $1. The Ulysses S. Grant $1 gold dollar coin was issued as part of the Presidential Dollar Coin Program, which ran from 2007 to 2016. This series of coins honored each U.S. president in the order of their terms, and Grant, the 18th president of the United States, was featured on the coin minted in 2011. Grant served as president from 1869 to 1877, a period marked by Reconstruction and the aftermath of the Civil War. Known for his military leadership during the Civil War and his efforts to protect the rights of African Americans, Grant's presidency was a complex chapter in American history. Let's take a closer look at the design of this coin. On the obverse side, we see a detailed portrait of Ulysses S. Grant, designed by Don Everhart, a renowned sculptor engraver at the U.S. Mint. The words Ulysses S. Grant, in God We Trust, 18th President in 1869 to 1877 are inscribed around his portrait. On the reverse side, you'll find a beautiful image of the Statue of Liberty, along with the inscriptions United States of America and $1. The edge of the coin is engraved with the year of minting, the mint mark, and the phrase E pluribus unum. The Ulysses S. Grant $1 gold dollar coin was minted at both the Philadelphia and Denver mints. These coins were struck for circulation as well as in collector's editions, including uncirculated and proof versions. Though the coin is referred to as a gold dollar, it's important to note that it's actually composed of a manganese brass alloy with a golden appearance. This was a common practice for the presidential dollar series. Now let's talk about value. The Ulysses S. Grant $1 gold dollar coin is a popular item among collectors, but its value can vary significantly based on a few factors. Circulated coins, those that have been used in transactions, typically hold a value close to face value around $1 to $3. However, uncirculated and proof versions, especially those with a high-grade certification, can be worth much more. These can range anywhere from $5 to $20 or more, depending on the condition and rarity. George Washington gold dollar. The George Washington gold dollar coin, commemorating the years 1789 to 1797. This coin is part of the Presidential $1 coin program and honors the first president of the United States, George Washington. But what's the real story behind this coin, and how valuable is it in today's market? Let's find out. The George Washington dollar coin was first released in 2007 as part of the United States Mint's Presidential $1 coin program. This program was created to honor the nation's presidents in the order they served, and George Washington was, of course, the very first. On the obverse, you'll find a striking portrait of George Washington designed by sculptor Joseph Mena. The inscription reads, George Washington, first president in 1789 to 1797, marking the years he served as the nation's leader. The reverse of the coin features the Statue of Liberty with the inscription United States of America and the denomination $1. The edge of the coin is also inscribed with the year of minting, the mint mark, and the mottos E pluribus unum and In God We Trust. These edge inscriptions make this series of coins unique among U.S. coinage. Now let's talk about the value of this gold dollar coin. Although it's commonly referred to as a gold dollar, it's important to note that these coins are not made of solid gold, but are composed of a manganese brass alloy, giving them that golden appearance. The value of your George Washington dollar coin largely depends on its condition and whether it's a standard circulation strike or a proof version. Circulated coins typically have a value close to face value around $1 to $2. However, uncirculated coins, especially those graded by professional grading services like PCGS or NGC, can fetch higher prices. Proof coins, which were struck specifically for collectors, can be even more valuable. A high-grade proof coin can range from $5 to $20, depending on its condition and the current demand in the coin market. Rutherford B Hayes, 1981. The Rutherford B Hayes $1 coin is part of the Presidential $1 coin program, a series launched to honor the former presidents of the United States. But before we get into the specifics of this 1981 issue, let's take a moment to appreciate the history behind this coin. Rutherford B Hayes was the 19th president of the United States, serving from 1877 to 1881. Known for ending the Reconstruction era and advocating for civil service reforms, Hayes played a significant role in shaping post-Civil War America. The Presidential $1 coin program honored him with this beautiful coin, which features his portrait on the obverse or front side. On the obverse, we see a detailed engraving of Rutherford B Hayes, designed by Don Everhart, one of the U.S. Mint's renowned sculptors. The inscription around the edge includes the words Rutherford B Hayes, In God We Trust, 19th president, and his term dates 1877 to 1881. The reverse side of the coin, common to all presidential $1 coins, features the iconic image of the Statue of Liberty, also designed by Don Everhart. The inscriptions here include United States of America and the denomination $1. The edge of the coin includes the year of minting, 1981, along with the mint mark and the inscription E pluribus unum. Now let's talk about the value. Although the coin was minted in 1981, it wasn't released for circulation until years later, which makes it a bit of an oddity among collectors. The actual value of the Rutherford B Hayes $1 coin can vary depending on its condition, rarity, and the demand in the market. As with all coins, the condition or grade of the Rutherford B Hayes $1 coin significantly impacts its value. Coins in uncirculated condition, often referred to as MS mint state grades, can fetch higher prices compared to those that have seen circulation. In general, a well-preserved 1981 Rutherford B Hayes $1 coin in MS60 to MS65 condition might be valued anywhere between $2 to $10 depending on the market. However, coins in pristine MS66 or higher can command much higher prices, potentially reaching up to $50 or more, especially if they feature a desirable mint mark or other distinguishing characteristics. Millard Filmore $1859 coin. Millard Filmore was the 13th president of the United States, serving from 1850 to 1853. While he might not be the most famous president, his legacy lives on in the form of various commemorative items, including coins. The Millard Filmore $1859 coin is not an official U.S. currency, but rather a commemorative coin issued to honor his contributions to the nation. The coin was actually struck much later as part of a series celebrating past presidents, and it carries the date 1859 to commemorate Fillmore's post-presidential years. Now, let's take a closer look at the design. On the obverse of the coin, you'll find a detailed portrait of Millard Filmore, with the year 1859 inscribed below his likeness. The reverse side typically features the Great Seal of the United States or another emblematic design representing the era. The coin is usually made of a gold-colored alloy, giving it a rich, elegant appearance. These commemorative coins were not minted by the U.S. Mint, but by private mints, which is why you'll often see them categorized as metals rather than coins. They were produced in limited quantities, making them somewhat rare, especially in high grades. Now let's talk about what everyone wants to know, the value of the Millard Filmore $1859 coin. The value of this coin can vary significantly depending on its condition, rarity, and demand among collectors. In general, these coins can be found for anywhere between $5 to $20 in average condition. However, if you have one in mint or near mint condition, it could be worth significantly more. Keep in mind that the market for commemorative coins can be quite volatile, so prices may fluctuate. If you're looking to add a Millard Filmore $1859 coin to your collection, here are a few tips. Verify authenticity. Always buy from reputable dealers to ensure you're getting an authentic coin. Check condition. The better the condition, the higher the value. Look for coins with minimal wear and no damage. Storage. Store your coins in a cool, dry place to prevent tarnishing and keep them in protective cases to maintain their condition. 1949 James K. Polk dollar coin. This coin was part of the presidential series issued by the United States Mint to honor the nation's presidents. James K. Polk, the 11th president of the United States, served from 1845 to 1849. However, the coin we're discussing today was minted in 1949, over a century later, commemorating Polk's presidency and his influence on American history. Polk is best known for his role in expanding the United States territory through the Oregon Trail and the Mexican-American War, significantly shaping the nation's borders as we know them today. Now let's take a closer look at the design of the 1949 James K. Polk dollar coin. The obverse or front of the coin features a detailed portrait of President Polk, designed with a dignified and serious expression. The inscription surrounding his image includes his name, the year of his presidency, and the year the coin was minted. The reverse side of the coin typically displays an iconic image related to American heritage, such as the Statue of Liberty or an American eagle. Along with inscriptions of United States of America and $1, the combination of these elements makes the coin a beautiful tribute to Polk's legacy. Now, on to the part that many of you have been waiting for, the value of the 1949 James K. Polk dollar coin. The value of this coin can vary widely depending on its condition, rarity, and demand among collectors. Generally speaking, coins in circulated condition may range from $5 to $20. However, if you happen to have a coin in uncirculated or mint condition, it could be worth significantly more, sometimes reaching upwards of $50 to $100 or more at auction. To get an accurate assessment of your coin's value, it's recommended to consult with a professional coin dealer or have it graded by a reputable grading service. The grade, which is determined by the coin's wear and overall appearance, can drastically influence its market value. For those of you who are interested in adding a James K. Polk dollar coin to your collection, here are a few tips. First, always ensure you're purchasing from a reputable dealer to avoid counterfeits. Second, consider the condition of the coin. While lower grade coins are more affordable, investing in a higher grade coin can be a better choice in the long run due to its potential appreciation in value. Zachary Taylor, 1850. The Zachary Taylor $1 gold coin was minted in 1850, just a year after the death of President Zachary Taylor. Taylor, the 12th President of the United States, served from March 1849 until his untimely death in July 1850. He was a war hero, known for his victories in the Mexican-American War, which paved the way for his presidency. The $1,851 gold coin featuring Zachary Taylor is part of the larger series of U.S. gold dollar coins, which were first minted in 1849 and continued until 1889. These coins were introduced to address the need for small denominations of gold currency, and they hold a special place in the history of American coinage. Now let's take a closer look at the design. The obverse of the Zachary Taylor $1 gold coin features a classic depiction of Lady Liberty, similar to other gold dollars of the time. The reverse displays a simple wreath surrounding the denomination and the year of minting minus 1,850. The coin is made of 90% gold and 10% copper, giving it that rich golden hue that collectors cherish. This coin is small, with a diameter of just 13 millimeters and a weight of 1.672 grams. Despite its size, it packs a historical punch and is a true testament to the craftsmanship of 19th century U.S. mint engravers. The $1,851 gold coin was minted in 3 locations: Philadelphia, New Orleans, and Charlotte. Each of these mints has its own unique story, and the mint mark on your coin can significantly affect its value. Philadelphia coins carry no mint mark, while New Orleans coins have an O mark, and Charlotte coins are marked with a C. Charlotte minted coins are particularly rare and highly sought after by collectors. Now let's talk about value. The value of an 1850 Zachary Taylor $1 gold coin can vary greatly depending on its condition and mint mark. Coins in lower grades, such as very fine VF, can be worth anywhere from $200 to $400. However, coins in mint state MS conditions can fetch significantly higher prices, ranging from $800 to several $1,000s. Charlotte minted coins in particular can reach even higher values due to their rarity.